guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken thighs in my Cosori TurboBlaze air fryer. So I have this new Cosori air fryer that the company sent me to try out, and I reviewed it in my last video and cooked some potatoes, but this will be the first meat I've cooked in it. So I bought this tray of chicken thighs. These were $1.79 a pound, $10.35 for almost 6 pounds of chicken there. So it's not too bad for meat these days. So this will be the first meat I cooked in it, like I said. So I'm going to season this chicken up on both sides with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I'll just do both sides kind of lightly there. A little more salt, and then I'll do those other two pieces and we'll get them into the air fryer. These are pretty good sized chicken thighs, so I put 3 in the basket there. I've been cooking 1 or 2 at a time, just trying it out with different cooking times and temperatures. So 3 is the most I've cooked at a time. So we'll get those in the basket and get that closed up. I'm going to use the air fry setting for this, and I like cooking chicken pretty hot, so I'm going to turn it all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. When I was doing 2 of them, I was cooking it for 18 minutes. So since there's 3, I'll try 20 minutes. So we'll be back when that's done. Alright, this just shut off. Let's see how they look here. They look real nice, but I probably should check the internal temperature just to make sure they're done. You want these chicken to be minimum of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That one says 152 right there. 153. I think I'm going to cook these for a couple more minutes. Alright, I set that for 2 more minutes. We'll get those going. I'm going to make sure they're done. It's been 2 minutes and that just shut off. Let's check it again. Hopefully we're good now. Hopefully that was long enough. See where we're at. That's 190. A little thicker spot. 187. This one here is 175. Yeah, that's good. That's good right there. These look real nice on the outside. Skin looks crispy. It didn't burn. I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on them though. This is Kinder's Mild. So I'm just going to, comes in a squeeze bottle here, so I'm just going to brush some of that on them. That looks good. I'm going to let it cook for another minute or 2 just to let the sauce caramelize a little bit. Alright, let's check these. It's been 2 minutes. Oh yeah, that looks real nice. Let's cut into one of these and see how it looks. Chicken thighs are pretty forgiving. They usually don't dry out like breasts if you overcook them. I'll cook these up to like 200 degrees internal temperature and they're usually fine. Oh yeah, look at that. Cook through nicely. Cook, you know, through. It's not pink in the middle or anything. It looks moist and juicy. Look at that. Alright, let's try a bite. That was good, nice and moist, but I grabbed another piece that has more sauce and skin on it, so let's try this one. That's real good. Tastes like barbecue chicken without the smoky flavor, but that's real good. Guess we better hook Annie up with a piece and see what she thinks. She seems excited. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. I guess it's Annie approved. Well, that turned out good. And one thing I learned is adding more chicken, you're going to have to add a little more cooking time. I added 2 minutes cooking time in the beginning and it still wasn't enough, so I cooked it 2 more and it came out about right. So, and those were pretty big pieces. Some of the other pieces, some of the other thighs I cooked earlier, you know, when I was trying it out, weren't quite as big as those. So you'll have to adjust your cooking time a little bit depending on how much chicken and how big your pieces of chicken are. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual, and I'll also write the link to Amazon for this air fryer in the description as well if anybody's interested. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.